Hello my dolly dearies and welcome to another video. So today I am hosting a Design a Doll giveaway to celebrate 2K. All you have to do is submit artwork, which is a full body and fully coloured, of a doll using either Claudine, Venus or Toralei as a base. Now this must be your own work and it must be fully coloured. And once you've made your entry, please send it to the email on screen or tag me on Instagram using the hashtag SkyTheGolden2Kgiveaway. And if you do email, include your social media handles in said email. To enter, I do ask that you be at least 18 years old or have a parent's permission, because if shipping goes over £7, I would very much like for you to help pitch in with that, because shipping out of the UK can get quite expensive quite fast, and payment for that would be taken through PayPal. So before entering, make sure that you can do that and facilitate it. I really look forward to seeing all of your guys' entries in this celebration of how far we've come as a channel. Thank you guys all so much for watching, can't wait to see your entries, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye!